Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. On this one, we're taking the R32 to Xavier's new workshop for some metal fab magic.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get the air. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him like and run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage. I got
32's here. Not much has happened. Actually, a lot has happened, but not much recently. So everything's pretty much done on it. We're about to get this out of here and put it on the trailer. For the first time in a long time, it's actually going to move out of here, and it would be great to put the bonnet on there, but the bonnet is, oh yeah, it's on the roof. No, we will be putting the bonnet on for transport. There's no glass, so the air's just going to go straight through there, and I'm going to take off all the bits, all the loose bits, take those off, and oh man, I'm so excited. I'm so bloody excited. So let's get it on the trailer. I'm going to be also towing with almighty MUX for the first time. That's gonna be sick. My shed is absolutely atrocious right now. I've got a lot going on with all the NBN tools that I'm selling and clearing out some cars and whatnot, so it's just an absolute wild little shit show in here. But R32, bonnet back on, thanks to Tom helping out. Yeah, I haven't seen it look like this in a while. I was gonna take the guards off because it's so low that they're just, it's on guard. Like proper, gonna be shit to get it out of here, but I'm gonna put it down the ground now and just push it out there and see how hard it is to actually put it on the trailer. Can't be harder than that pink car over there.
Yeah, yes it is. Go on.
Push hard, push hard. Yes, I think that might be enough. Just low car things. Yes, perfect. Thank you. Wait. Okay, don't wait. Thanks for letting it down.
Wait. And Paul, be careful because it's probably gonna roll down.
Yeah. Don't stand in front of it.
Yeah. Oh, Daddy,
Too far?
yeah, try it your best.
I thought you were going to say stop. That's perfect. Oh, okay, it's all good. Let's check to see if it's in the right spot.
Nope.
That's pretty much spot on, man. Thank you. That was perfect. High five? Yeah, that'll work. What? Oh, gosh. That's some serious high fiving, man. Okay, thanks mate, thanks. You've helped out heaps. That's perfect. Dropping the 32 off at some random shed. Nah, it's Xavier's new shop. It's a bit dark in here. I had to reverse the trailer through this tight ass gap for like 40 odd meters. Pretty gnarly. But we're just gonna pack up, go home. I'll give you an update when there's more to talk about. So R32 is back and Xavier has worked his magic on it. He's mounted the massive ass jumbo intercooler and done some pretty sweet welding. Got the lobster welds going on. This isn't 100% pushed in there yet. It's just sitting there. But check this out. Look at that. Looking freaking cool, man. Look at that. Would you just look at it? It looks so nice. And it all just fits perfectly. That's bottom pipe isn't sitting in the right spot. But yeah, look how good it's sitting. Everything's just, oh, it's all coming together. And yeah, I'll do a little bit of B-roll now. Some music, make it a cool little clip. That's freaking awesome. So yeah, we're just gonna chuck it up on the hoist. And the next thing is I've got to mount this oil relocator and then run the lines to it. I've got the lines currently coming off the block around and they're just sitting under there. So I'm gonna, yeah, find a good spot for that, which I used to have it just on V1 of this car. I used to have it under here, but I don't really like it there anymore. So I'm gonna put it on the inside down there somewhere. Figure that out next. And then tuck up some wiring here, screw that in where it needs to be. And yeah, freaking, yeah. Figure out the bumper bar. First start coming up soon.
It's just different.
Yeah. La la la, la la la. Keep that in if you want, G. I don't mind. Yeah. The addiction of mine of liquor is sick and divine. It's twisting my words into lies. I'm spiritual with sacrifice. I'm taking a soul to keep minds. I feel so alive. The blood in my eyes is also in yours. What you living for? Shit, I take your life. Maybe I should. Are you down the ride? Do you want some more? Cause I got it all. The lights, the camera, the action, the bad bitch. You say that she love you, she acting the drugs. The money, the power. Told you all there's hours for life. Look at me, you coward. Distractions turn minutes to hours and times of the essence. Don't tell me you doubt it. You know that I'm about it. Just down it. Your future is here. Look around you. I got you. Can't open your eyes. You are blinded with drink, smoke, crush, love, yeah. Take a look around yourself. Ain't call out all the fake cunts. That's why I drink, smoke, crush, love. I could do this every night. I'm so in love with feeling numb. Whoa.
Sweet, so Xavier's done his magic on the intercooler piping. Turned out epic. And all hose clamps are on. It's all ready for first start. Hopefully on the next episode. See you guys there. Thanks for watching. Excitement is high right now. Yeah, turn that one. The light.
That one?
Yeah. And then wait. What next? What's next?
Huh?
That one. The first switch. Not that one. Yeah, that one. Can you hear the fuel pump?
Yeah.
That's good. Alright.